y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm gonna stop. So yeah, I am back with another video. Don't judge me. Do not judge. I'll wait for the okay. You done yet? You done? All right. So I'm back with another product review with Influenster. So this time I am doing a Vox box with Bites Cosmetics. And if you guys don't know what Influenster is, why am I doing that with my shoulder? If you guys don't know what Influencer is you. And yes, I say you. The reason being is that it's free for every and any user. You get me? Like someone that simply has access to a phone or the internet could use this app. And it is totally for free. When I say free, I mean free to free. Not free 99, free for the free. You feel me? No, free for the free. Free for you, free for me, free for us. Yes. So what Influencer basically does, we're the people that basically give the reviews based off of products. And today's product is the Bite. If you guys want to see one of the old Vox box that I received, is the Lancome one. Don't judge me, because I don't post that much. But yeah, so you could go down, scroll. I may include it, who knows. It's my Lancome Vox box, but this time it is Bites Cosmetics. So, what I was gonna say, I lost my train of thought. Oh, okay, yeah. So Vox box, with the Vox box, we are the ones that give the review. So either A, half of the time I'll go back and buy it myself because they choose the color for you. So say for instance, they send you a campaign. They're like, hey, we have a campaign coming up. Would you like to be a part of it? You're gonna click yes, let me in, coach. Oh, yo, you know, put yourself in. Yeah, whatever, sorry. So you're gonna click that campaign. It's gonna ask you a series of questions to respond to so you could be a part of the next campaign for Vox box. They also include things that come with coupons. I know they normally always have the Sour Patch slushie that you get at your local 7-Eleven. They don't have it at the moment, but I know that's something that they do frequently. Also too, they have one recently with Maybelline. The last one that I did with them was with the Garnier dry shampoo, the ones that smell like alcohol beverages. but today we're gonna focus on Bites. So yeah, so you're gonna open a box, and once you open a tab, it'll tell you the name of the campaign, the Influensters logo and name, and right here it'll tell you to launch the app, raise your voice, show the world, and recycle. Please guys, reduce, reuse, and recycle, okay? Because you ain't gonna need this box no more. And once you open it, dang, I was trying not to make that happen, but yeah. So it comes with a nice little picture of Bite. So these are most the colors that they have available. Pick this up. So this is what comes. It says that it is a new Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. So clean lip matte crayon. So this is the campaign card, and behind it, it tells us, well, me, what to do. So it says that the Power Move Creamy Matte Lip Crayon. All lips may have something powerful to say. So finally, bold matte lip colors that are easy to apply and can keep up with you. So it tells me what to do. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what color I have. Just looking at the box alone, y'all know how Bite is. Bite is simple. I love their logo. I really do. I love their logo. So the color that I have is Acai Smash. Get off of me. My hands is ashy. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm ashy. But okay. So this is it. Ta-da-dum. So this is it. Bite Cosmetics, the lip crayon. And this is the shade Acai Smash. Acai Smash. I love how they kept consistent with their the shape of their lips, because I know their lipstick line is like this. I go to Sephora a lot, don't judge me, but yeah, their lipsticks are always shaped like this, but of course it's shorter because it's a lipstick, but it's a lip crayon, so it's like, you know, thin and all everything. But here it is. This is it. Ooh, look probably nice on me. I'm gonna swatch it right here on my ashy arm. Ooh, it is kind of smooth. Yes, it's a pink color. I don't wear pink that much, but for the sake of this video, I'll put this on. But maybe randomly I'll wear it. So I'm gonna go back. I said go back. I'm gonna go ahead do my makeup, and I'll be right back with with the reveal when I put this thing on my lip. Okay, y'all. I'll see y'all in a bit. Bye. 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 See you later. Don't forget to subscribe. So I am back with my finished look. Oh, look cute. Yeah, I was lazy. I didn't feel like tying my hair, but this is it. The curls dropped since like Saturday, and she's dry. She's dry. This is loose wave hair from Crafted Queens collection. This is from CQ'llessics, which is something new that I came out with. Well, not really. So this is regular virgin hair. Sidebar, this ain't, you know, just throwing it in there. But I have 2 28s, a 26, 24 with a 20-inch, 13x6-inch frontal. And she slays in silence, you know. But she's currently dry because I did not wash her since last year. Don't judge me, but it is cute. Almost fell. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna do this little lippy. So I'm gonna go through my little Sephora. I told y'all I go to Sephora all the time. Don't judge me. So I think I'm gonna do like a lip liner and then do a pink inside. I think I'm gonna do this the pink print by Nikki. I might put that soft pink inside because I don't know how I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna go ahead and use my MAC Chestnut pencil, my lip liner pencil, and line my lips. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead with my bite. I have the Acai Smash color. It's like a purplish pink fuchsia tone. I'm gonna apply it over my lip. Let's see how this looks. I think it may come out nice because I have like a simple face, no shadows. Girl, I look cute. I look cute. I look real cute. Dang, look who decided to pop up in me. This recovering from last week. Don't judge me. But I'm gonna go ahead and line my lip. Y'all, this thing smells good. Alright, so this is the lip by itself. It's pretty cute. It feels super smooth. I'm used to wear like mattes or glossy lips, not like crayons, but it actually looks good. But me, I like putting pink inside. So I'm gonna use the pink print and press it on the middle because that ain't cute.
Purchase your tracks today.
Lip, I get up close. I like it, But like it says, it's just a cream lip crayon, so I'm not expecting it to work like a lipstick where it's like full coverage. I probably would have added another color to it, but I like it. It looks cute. I feel like the typical Haitian mommy, you feel me, with this fuchsia on my lip. But I'm gonna try it out to see how I like it, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me to crew. Hold on, so I'm gonna spray my face. I'm using the Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face, you feel me, because I'm a boss, you feel me. But yeah, so I'm gonna spray my face. Don't mind me, don't judge me. Just watch me. Oh, yo, this is the goal. Y'all need to go get it before I see. Okay, first, you know, I'll save for another video, but I went through a journey filled with sprays, but I'm not wearing this top. I'm gonna switch to a different top, but I think this is cute. I actually like it, so I'll be back and I'll let you guys know how I like it and see how it works throughout the night, because I'm only gonna have it on for till like 10 till I get back home. So yeah, I'll be back. See y'all in a bit. Bye. So this is a quick update. My lip is still available, but I don't like it. It transfers, but it's pretty awesome because it's still on my lip. Would I wear this color again? I don't know, but this is it. See y'all. Zoom into my lips. But yeah, it's like wearing out. It went on my glasses stuff, but overall it's still there. Alright, so we are back and my lip is still intact. That rhymes. But yeah, so this lipstick, I would give it from an A to F scale. I'll give it like a B. Cause it went on my cup. I kissed my little best friend. I'll insert the video right here. And it's on her face. So yes, I would recommend it for someone that likes some light makeup and they want to go bold for one time, because definitely when I put the lipstick on, it did not look like this. It was really sheer, but it makes sense. It's a lip crayon, not a lipstick. So it didn't even tell me how the finish will be, but it says it's supposed to be a matte lipstick. It's not matte, it's more velvet in a way. So yeah, but if you guys want to join the Influenster family, please click the link below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And look, the hair still stayed, it lasted, Lord. Sam, will say hi? Trying to say okay. Well, hey girl. All right, see y'all later. Bye.
I don't want to mess up the video.
You should have, but the camera.
I'll do this.
Bye. But it's that way. Okay, we're gonna do it again. Whoop. All right, so bye, y'all.